how AI is changing the game for landlords and property managers. If you're in the business, you'll want to hear this. First off, tenant screening. It's usually such a hassle, right? Background checks, credit histories, references, it can take ages. But with AI, this process is lightning fast. It can scan and analyze credit reports, eviction records, even predict how likely someone is to pay rent on time. And the best part, it's all data driven, so it reduces bias and makes things fairer for everyone. Then there's rent collection. Tracking payments, sending reminders, and dealing with late fees can be a headache. AI tools can take care of all of that, even handle expense management and generate financial reports automatically. They're also great at spotting fraud, so no more worrying about dodgy transactions. Maintenance is another area where AI shines. Imagine tenants logging repair requests through a chatbot which prioritizes issues and notifies the right contractors. AI even uses sensors to detect problems like leaks or failing equipment before they get serious. It's a total lifesaver. And communication. AI-powered chatbots can answer tenant questions 24/7. Need to remind someone about an inspection or share a community update, AI makes those messages more personal and human-like. It's not perfect yet, people still value real human interaction, but the tech is improving fast. Marketing is another big win. AI creates targeted ads based on market trends. It adjusts rental prices dynamically and even generates eye-catching property listings with optimized keywords and visuals. Honestly, the leap in AI content creation over the last couple of years has been incredible. Compliance is tricky, but AI can help there too. It tracks legal changes, analyzes lease agreements for risks, and suggests optimal insurance coverage. That said, when it comes to legal matters, you still need to double check everything. There's no room for error. Finally, AI is fantastic for decision making. It analyzes data to spot trends, forecast market changes, and highlight areas where your properties could perform better. It's like having an all-seeing assistant to guide you on your next move. Of course, AI isn't without its challenges. The initial costs can be steep. There's a learning curve, and protecting tenant data is non-negotiable. But here's the thing, many of these tools aren't entirely new. Concepts like machine learning have been around for years. What's changed though is the power behind them. So whether you're already using AI or just thinking about it, now's a good time to consider it and embrace the possibilities. It's not about replacing what you do, it's about making it smarter, quicker, and more efficient. So that's the future of property management, in my opinion. I hope this helps. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. All the best. Take care.